This is how I close deals on Zoom Part 1. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, effective communication and virtual meetings have become paramount for businesses seeking to close deals and secure high-ticket clients. With the rise of platforms like Zoom, professionals from various industries, including coaches, consultants, trainers, service providers, and sellers of luxury products, have embraced this technology as a powerful tool for closing deals remotely. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore proven strategies and techniques for successfully closing deals on Zoom. Creating a professional virtual environment. To create a professional virtual environment, ensure that your background is clean, clutter-free, and appropriate for the meeting. Choose a well-lit space and position your camera at eye level. Consider using a virtual background that aligns with your brand or the nature of the meeting. Ensuring smooth video and audio quality. Before the meeting, check your internet connection and make sure you have a stable and high-speed connection. Test your video and audio equipment to ensure clear visuals and audio quality. Use a reliable microphone and consider using headphones to minimize background noise and echo. Structuring the meeting for success. Prepare a clear and concise agenda for the meeting, outlining the key points you want to cover. Share the agenda with the client in advance so they know what to expect. Structure the meeting in a logical flow, allowing time for introductions, discussions, and presentations. Sharing documents and presentations. Gather all relevant documents and presentations that support your offer or solution. Organize them in a logical manner and have them readily accessible during the meeting. Use screen sharing features on Zoom to present visuals, slides, or demos effectively. Establishing rapport and building trust. Start the meeting with a warm and friendly greeting to set a positive tone. Maintain eye contact with the camera to create a sense of connection. Use the client's name and actively listen to their responses. Show genuine interest in their business and challenges. Understanding the client's needs and goals. Listen attentively to the client's requirements, pain points, and objectives. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share more information. Take notes during the conversation to demonstrate your attentiveness and ensure you address their specific needs later. Closing deals on Zoom has become an indispensable skill for businesses operating in today's digital landscape. By implementing the strategies and techniques outlined in this guide, professionals in the lead generation and customer acquisition space can elevate their virtual meetings to new heights, forging stronger connections with clients, showcasing value, and ultimately closing more deals. With effective preparation, strong communication, and a focus on building trust, you can confidently navigate the world of virtual sales and secure high-ticket clients on Zoom. Remember, each Zoom meeting is an opportunity to showcase your expertise, connect with your audience, and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. By consistently honing your skills and adapting to the virtual environment, you can position yourself as a trusted partner and expert in your industry, leading to increased success in closing deals on Zoom.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high-ticket, high-margin coaching, training, services, and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high-quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.